All right. Welcome to Casa de Malouff, day number 29. Making it happen. Making it happen. So, as you see over here, it's kind of different colors. So, that's still drying. But the ceiling part, I'm not going to worry about. So, today, and over here, I think that's still drying there. There's still some drying on the walls and here in the pantry. This stuff still has to dry before I can paint in here. So today I'm going to work on painting the ceiling, even though there's some issues here, but I don't care. It's the ceiling. It's in the garage. I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the way. And if this stuff will ever dry today or tomorrow, yeah, it's still wet, it's still cold. So I can paint this weekend here in the garage. So at least get this part taken care of. So I'm going to work on that. Maybe I'll turn the spotlights on and warm this stuff up. So how y'all doing? So we got all the paint. So I bought all the paint for the house. I got the kills for the walls, the primer and the paint and everything here. Blah, 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 blah. So this is what we look at up front. Yep, we got the windows in, but all the siding and stuff will be later, Monday, I think. So, so I'll be moving all this stuff around a little bit. Clean up the garage a little bit, maybe try to clean up this area. Same thing in here. In the master bedroom, the window seal's gotta be dry. So this stuff's gonna take a couple of days. And we're going to work on some things. So the bathroom, yep, it's cordoned off and primered or whatever you want to call it. So the shower is going to be ready. I got to go get the shower glass. Don't know what I'm going to get for shower glass. But I do got to stop at Lowe's later today and talk to Lowe's. So maybe I'll look at the glass there. Maybe I'll order something. Here's the spare bedroom bathroom or guest bathroom, and they still got to finish this one up a little bit, which they'll do Monday. Shower head's going to go out there, pocket light's going to go there, recessed light's going to go here, fan's going to go right there. So we're still got a lot of work to do, but these guys have been doing real well, moving hard, hardly moving. So we'll go from there. So anyways, everything's looking good. And out back, let's talk about out back. So for out back, when all the guys are here, they're working and I have nothing to do, I'll probably chop up the trees. So what I'm doing, I'll show you what I'm doing here. I'm just chopping them up and I'm going to put the good wood or the wood that I want to use to burn over here. That I'll throw away. But good pile, burn pile over there. And then maybe do like a little fire pit over here. I'll check with city ordinance, but I think I could do a small fire pit. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe we'll just do it, get in trouble later. I don't know. Find out. So, all right. Day 29. Let's see here. This is going to be converted into a smoker eventually. I don't know if I'll be doing it during this particular time of videos, but it will be. I plan on having it here, put the smoker right here. I just don't know how I'm going to build it. So it may be a while. You might not even get it on video. We'll see how I can work it out. But it'd be like day 487 video. So this is the side of the house, how we're looking. The rocks are still stacked. All right. I think that's what that was for. Okay, welcome to day 29. And what was that? An outlet? Oh, that was an outlet. Yeah, I didn't know that. I guess I'll put the Christmas lights right there. Okay. Well, now we know. See what happens when you walk around your house and find stuff. Okay. Let's make our way back front and unload the paint. And then we'll start on painting the ceiling. So what I'll do is I'll paint the ceiling and head off over to Lowe's while the ceiling paint dries. And then when I get back this afternoon, maybe I'll start sanding these poles again and getting these ready for the stain painting later. Anyways, all right, well, that's day 29 beginning. So thank you for watching. Thanks. Like, share, do whatever you got to do. Okay, bye-bye. All right, day 29 coming to a close. Not much going on today. All I did was ceiling paint, the ceiling at the garage. I might do the walls tomorrow. I gotta wait and see if that dries and that dries. Not that I really care because it's the garage, so it really doesn't matter. But it should be ready for paint tomorrow. So I'll throw pull out some of the white paint there, We'll throw it on. I guess I could do some better with the ceiling paint, but what the hell? It's a garage. That's going to be blocked. That's mostly going to be blocked by the crate thing that I'm going to mount there anyways. So, kind of painted the garage door thing here. Primered it a little bit. I could have bought a new door, but I kind of like that. It's a heavy duty door. I think it's kind of cool. So nothing else in the house. That's it. They're up in Austin today, so they're working, so nobody's here. But the gutter guy showed up. We're getting gutters. Let's go around back. Yep, we're getting gutters. This is going to be a house before you know it. Let's see here. Yeah, we got a gutter right there. It's supposed to put a flange or something there. We'll find out. Alright, so that's going to drain there. We got a gutter out here. Ooh. One big super long gutter. There's the drain. So this one, I'm going to get one of those rainwater catch things. A big one. And the only problem is I don't know where I'm going to put it. So anyways, it's supposed to help me with the water in the grass. So we shall see. Maybe I'll put it here on the side of the house right here, and then feed that one with the thing coming down. Yeah. This way it's kind of out of my way. It's here. Yeah, we'll see. I could do something here too. Maybe I can draw some kind of water from this way. Anyways, there's our barbecue pit. May or may not start on that tomorrow. Maybe. As I'm running out of options and things to do. It's going to be all up to them. So we'll see. All right, day 29. Not much going on, just some painting. That's it. Thanks for watching. The gutter guys are still here, so they're finishing up. They're almost done. Put some gutters on this side. Yep. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, forward, whatever you want to do.